first big tree like this. That was pretty sweet. Dude, this Stihl saw just freaking butter. Ah, this thing is so sick. Heck yeah. That was nerve-wracking. Yeah, doing the drone and the cameras and trying to do that's a little much for me, so I just wanted to film getting this tree down. That was awesome. Now I'm gonna chainsaw this up, clean it up, maybe do some weed whacking over there, but that's pretty much it. I thought I'd just bring you guys along just for this one, so, but I need to concentrate. That was pretty hardcore for me at least, so I don't know, the wind's kind of picking up, so I don't think I'm gonna get that one today, but I don't know, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I sure did, so see you next video.